In this video, we're going to talk about 3 beauty lightings for jaw-dropping portraits. Now, let me ask you this question real quick. Have you ever looked at a beauty portrait and thought to yourself, how does their skin look so good? That's really good. No crazy retouching, no huge studios. The truth is, it's not the camera, it's not the lens, it is the light. And with light, you can achieve anything. Now today, I'm going to show you 3 beauty lighting setups that will make your portraits look instantly professional. Now for the best part, you will only need one light. And by the end of this video, my promise is you'll understand clearly how to set these up and how to instantly change your portrait game. We'll get into it right after this. Before we jump into these setups, let's talk real quick about lighting. Now, lighting is like makeup for your cameras. Bad light is like messy makeup. Good light, smooth things out, right? Beauty lighting is not about being fancy. It's about control. Now, where does the light hit? Where does the shadow fall? Once you understand that, you stop guessing and you start creating. You shift your focus and you start creating compelling images. All right? So let me show you setup number 1. This setup is called Clamshell Lighting. If you're new to beauty photography or photography in general, this is your best friend. Why? This light is soft, it's clean, it's super flattering to the skin. Here's what you'll need to do this. One main light with a softbox or a beauty dish and a reflector or a fill card underneath the face, underneath your subject face. That's it. That's all you'll need. Just one main light and a fill card or reflector here, just to fill in these shadows. Now, here's the setup. Place your main light slightly above the subject face. All right? Angle it down like the sun. Then place your reflector or fill card underneath the chin. What this does is simple. The top light shapes the face, the reflector fills in the shadow. Look at the skin, smooth, even, and clean. This is perfect for your headshot, your beauty portraits, just portraits in general. You know, clients who want to look and feel their best. If you ever feel stuck and don't know what lighting to use, start here. This light will never fail. Now that you understand soft beauty light, let's add a little more personality to that. Because sometimes beauty doesn't always have to be safe. Sometimes it needs to be dramatic. Now, this setup is called Rembrandt Beauty Lighting, and this is where things get more dramatic. Here's what you will need. One light, a softbox. Place this light to the side of your subject's face. Now, you'll want to see a small triangle of light somewhere along the cheeks, somewhere in this region about here, and that triangle, that's the magic. That's what the masters did way back when, and that's the magic. That's how it happened, right? This light adds shape, depth, and confidence. Now think about this light setup as carving a statue. Light on one side, shadow on the other. This is perfect for editorial looks, strong personalities, fashion-inspired portraits. This light says, I am here, and I mean business. And trust me, clients love this look. It's simple and it's easy to replicate. So far we've done soft light, dramatic light, and now we're going to talk about high fashion and how we do that, how to achieve that. Now, this setup is called butterfly lighting. If you've ever opened a fashion magazine, you will see this light being used a lot. Now, here's what you'll need to achieve this look. One light, a beauty dish, or softbox. And you're going to place this light directly in front of your subject. Now, you're going to raise it slightly until you see a shadow appear just below the nose. Right under the nose, you're going to see that shadow appear. Now, once that shadow appears, you know you're in the right spot. That's it. Now, this light highlights the cheekbone. It creates symmetry. It's clean and powerful. This is perfect for beauty editorials, fashion portraits, high-end portraits. Now, this light gives a very expensive look and feel from the simple setup. And that's the secret for lighting successfully. So here's a story. Some years ago, I was hired to do a shoot in a very small space, very small room. There was barely room to turn around in there. It had myself, I had a makeup artist, and I had an art director. And I decided I'm going to only use one light for this shoot because there was no room. So just one light, no big setups. But what I focus on was where the light was, what the shadows were doing. And that shoot changed everything. I realized something at that time. Great images aren't about the gear. It's about better choices. Now, each of these setups is an ingredient. Soft light for trust, side light to empower, and front light for fashion and beauty. Now, you choose the story. You get to tell the story as the creative, as the photographer. You are the one telling the story. So with this, once you understand lighting, this will change the way you shoot, and this will better help you to understand that you don't need to set up all your lights. You don't need to throw everything on set. So this, my friends, is the secret. Just one light. So here's my challenge for you this week. Pick one setup. Use one light. Challenge yourself. Practice. Practice on yourself. Practice on a mannequin. Get a friend to come in and practice on your friend. And watch how the light changes everything. Now, follow, like, subscribe, and share. Follow for more lighting breakdowns. And if there is something you would like me to do, if there is a subject you're struggling with that you want me to help with, I'll make a video about it. So until next time, keep shooting.